This is peaches, second batch of bearing fruits, because this is this is 2-year-old since we plant this. We bought the tree cuttings from garden store. It's nice this time because it have a lot of fruit than last year. Last year only few fruits. It will be harvest this about May or June. And here's a bonus here, a pretty baby. Hi baby.